Okay, so this is an unboxing video of the Hollyland Pyro H video wireless transmitter, and without much further ado, so let's get to see what's in here. All right, so it comes in this box, and just opening it, you have the two units which has colors of blue and red. One is transmitter and one is receiver, and the units are quite very sturdy. Of course, it's made of metal somewhat. So inside the box you have the hot shoe mount. This is a shoe mount that slides into your camera base, and this attaches to the transmitter and mounts there. And also you have this USB adapter type C, and you have in here altogether 5 antennas. So I'm guessing one is just for safety. If you get to lose, one, you still have one left as an extra. So I'll be testing this out tomorrow. Let me know in the comment section exactly what you'd want me or what you'd like me to test out in this. So I'll be putting it to quite a whole range of tests because I have a shoot and it's going to be a very rigorous shoot. So literally this should hold up in every condition. I see it has a fan here, so long hours of use shouldn't be a problem for, I mean in terms of heat. So it has a fan here, and coupled with every other thing, the transmission range. I heard this is 400 meters, and of course I'm using it in quite a very big, massive venue. So I should be able to stretch it all to the limit. Yes, if I would, or if that's the case. Yeah, I'll be stretching it out to its limit to check how far it's going or how far it can go, if it's truly a 400-meter range transmitter, and also if it's worth the box. All right, so if you're interested in getting this, just hit up the guys at Camera Joint and they'll be glad to offer you a piece of the pie. All right, so I'll be dropping the real testing video, very soon as well. So see ya.